Ever pondered how YouTube manages to stream videos to billions of users worldwide? It's all about the technology behind the scenes. Let's delve into 5 fascinating facts about the technology that powers YouTube. Firstly, consider the sheer volume of video streaming. Each day, YouTube processes over 1 billion hours of video content. That's a staggering amount of data. It's like filling more than 200,000 standard laptops with video every single day. This requires a sophisticated infrastructure and potent servers to handle the immense streaming demands. Secondly, there's the role of content delivery networks, or CDNs. To ensure videos are delivered swiftly and efficiently to viewers, YouTube relies on a global network of servers. These servers are strategically dotted around the world, helping to reduce buffering and load times. Think of it as YouTube's own global superhighway, making sure your favorite videos reach you in record time. Thirdly, there's the magic of advanced video compression. YouTube uses cutting-edge video compression algorithms to shrink file sizes and boost streaming performance. This means that even if you're stuck with a slow internet connection, you can still enjoy high-quality videos without any hiccups. It's like fitting an elephant into a suitcase, but in the digital world. Fourthly, we have machine learning for recommendations. YouTube uses smart machine learning algorithms to suggest videos you might like. By analyzing your behavior, preferences, and how you engage with videos, these algorithms can predict and propose content that will pique your interest. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your taste in videos. Finally, YouTube employs dynamic adaptive streaming over HTTP, also known as Dash. This technology allows videos to be divided into small chunks, and the quality of each chunk can be adjusted in real time based on your internet speed and device capabilities. It's like a tailor-made suit, but for your video streaming experience. In conclusion, these technological marvels allow YouTube to deliver a seamless and engaging video watching experience. From handling billions of hours of content, using global servers, compressing videos, predicting your preferences, to adapting video quality in real time, YouTube's technology ensures that you can enjoy your favorite videos anytime, anywhere, without a hitch. Brilliant, isn't it?